So students, in previous video or in previous lecture, we have discussed what is the net effect of error when two quantities are multiplied, two or more quantities are multiplied. In the same way, if we can calculate if two quantities are means related as x equal to a upon b, means this is quotient form, or you can say by the division. For example, if we calculate density, formula of density is mass upon volume. Mass upon volume. So a person which is measuring mass of a quantity of a object and volume of the object, if he or she is making some error in measuring mass as well as volume, so what will be the effect on density? Definitely if there is an error in mass as well as volume, then definitely there will be some error in density also. So here we calculate what is the effect of error if two quantities are related as. So person measuring A as, in previous lecture we have discussed this thing, and B. So what happened here? Obviously this become A plus minus A as well B plus minus delta B, and net the result of X will be definitely influenced by these two errors, and it becomes this. So to calculate this thing, we have to measure this value. So measuring this error, what we do, we take A common, delta A upon A, divide by here 1 plus minus delta B upon B. From here we can take X common, 1 plus minus delta X upon X. What happens? X equal to A upon B. From this relation, X equal to what? X equal to A upon B. So we can cancel it. What we get? Delta X upon X equal to 1 plus minus delta A upon A, divide by 1 plus minus delta B upon B. This is in denominator. So when we what happened? This becomes to the power minus 1. This becomes, on expanding this is 1 plus x to the power n, binomial expansion, 1 plus x to the power n, and the binomial expansion of this is 1 plus n x plus n minus 1 upon factorial 2 into x square, and like this. So here this is n equal to minus 1. So what we get? We get 1 minus plus delta B upon B, again plus minus some constant term C1, you can write it C1, delta B upon B whole square, because in second term this is a square, in third term this is C2 delta B upon B cube, and so on. Again, what is delta B? Delta B is error. Delta B is error. So error is always very small as compared to quantity itself, means the value of delta B will be very less as compared to B, because this is quantity and this is error. So obviously delta b upon b will be very less as compared to 1. And when we square this term, this becomes very much smaller as compared to 1. And again when we cube this term becomes very less. So all these terms become negligible as compared to 1, and what we get, 1 plus minus delta a upon a, 1 minus plus delta b upon b. Again on multiplying this we get and delta b upon b. Again this is what? This is 1 plus minus delta x upon x. What happened? This quantity is very less than as compared to 1. Why it is so? Actually we have already discussed that delta a upon a is also very small, and when we multiply delta a upon a and delta b upon b, this quantity become very less. So as compared to 1 we can neglect this term, ignore this term, and what we get, we can cancel 1 to 1. What we get, 1 plus minus delta x upon x equal to 1 plus minus delta a upon a plus minus delta b upon b. We can cancel 1. So delta x upon x equal to plus minus delta a upon a plus minus delta b upon b. For maximum error, error is always calculated for maximum. Minimum is 0. Error minimum, that doesn't mean minus. One thing आप एक चीज आप हमेशा याद रखिए, मिनिमम एरर डजंट मीन माइनस. मिनिमम एरर मीन्स 0. One person, there are two persons. In counting 10, one is counted as 11 and second is counted as 9. So this is making one error and it is also making one error. This is not possible that this is making less error. No, इसने भी एक की गलती की और इसने भी एक की गलती की है. So error is same. Error is not plus minus. Minimum error means 0. Some person which is counting 10 as 10. That's mean he or she is making no error. In these two cases, the both person 11 and 9, both person are making same amount of error. Only sign is different. One is measuring more, one is measuring less, but error is same. So for maximum error, delta x upon x equal to delta a upon a plus delta b upon b. So this is what? This is again, as in case of product, relative errors are added. So as in case of division also, relative errors are added. Means in case of product and division, relatives errors are added, and in case of sum and subtraction, addition and subtraction, absolute error are added. So this is a difference in addition subtraction in one case and division and subtraction product and division in second case. So this is all about it.